So friends, in this video tutorial, we will learn about how to use fill map in Power BI. So how we can make them. So first of all, we will click on our fill map from here. So in our visualization pane, we will find this fill map. You just click over this. And now we have a format of the map. So we just increase its size. And after increase its size, we have a data. And the file, we have a link in our like in the video you will find the link. So like this is our filter information here, location and everything. So in location, we again this time take our states. So I just drag this to locations. So we have locations and map of United States is there. Then we will go to sales, and here is our sales. So and I will put this sales in a tool tips, and I will put this sales in tool tips. So we have a sale here. Now if I will click over this map, so according to state it will show the sales also, like this one. And next we have a one thing more there. If you want more information, like in legend, we can take our region. So it can give information according to regions also, in which region what sales is made. So whatever data according to our information given, so we can take all the information. So we will go to in here in location, and then I will go to legend, and in legend I will take your region. Now we have a different color of region, and if you want to see this map, focus mode, and now it's in a focus mode. I just remove this all this field. Now you can see the map now. So it gives information according to states, according to region. The color is added to region. Like if you go to west, show the west area, then it will show the east area and central area. So this way we can make our field map.